What is up guys, Danny this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to use booking calendar add-ons on Google Forms. So first off, head over to Google Drive. For that, you can just simply open Google or any browser and type in Google Drive in the search bar. So you will be directly redirected to the Google Drive. And then from here, just simply click on New, click on Google Forms. You can create a blank form, a blank quiz, or you can form a template. I'll just simply click on blank form. I want to create a form from scratch. And now from here on your top right, just click on this three dots. After clicking, click on Get Add-ons. And here in the add-ons, just type in Booking Calendar. After typing, hit search and it will search booking calendar. As you can see, this is the booking calendar add-on extension. Click on install and click on continue. Choose an account you want to install this add-on in. I'll choose my account, click on continue. I'll click on allow. After installing this add-on, just make sure that you keep your Google Calendar open in a new tab so that the booking calendar easily syncs with Google Calendar to find out upcoming meetings and events that you want to add in your Google form. So as you can see, booking calendar has been installed. I'll click on done and I'll just open Google Calendar in new tab. So as you can see, I have opened my Google Calendar. Now from here, you can see this pop-up option of add-ons. Click on this, click on Booking Calendar, and here you will see the option of Configure Booking Calendar. Click on this, it is working, and then it will finally add your booking calendar add-on to your Google form after syncing. Now, if you want to pay a bit premium and you want the premium features, you can. But if you want to go with the free plan, as I am doing, you can just select this option of free plan and click on next. After that, save your Gmail. Next. Now this will ask you about the sync dropdown. Just click on save and next again. Then just click on this email submitter's email field. Click on next again. It says that all requirements are met. Just click on continue and booking calendar will be then configured to your Google form. So as you can see in my Google Calendar, I don't have any upcoming event. That is why it has shown that there is no event found. I'll just click on stop on this form and it will directly save it. And as you can see, my booking calendar extension has been configured for my Google Forms. So that was all for this video, guys. Thank you for watching.